Welcome back. Let's listen in once again to Arvind Kejriwal as he was going in to vote. Let's get a clearer soundbite of that.
एक बारी वोट डाल के आ जाता हूँ, फिर एक साथ बोल दूंगा। कैमरा उधर लगे हुए हैं सारे, आ जाओ सारे। वही सेम है भाई, वहाँ लगे तो हुए सारे, सेम है। मैं दिल्ली के सभी लोगों से अपील करना चाहूँगा, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वोट दें। कल रात को मेरी जानकारी के मुताबिक दिल्ली में शराब और पैसा खूब बटा है, तो मेरी दिल्ली के सभी लोगों से अपील है, उन्हें पता है कि किस पार्टी ने बांटा है, किन पार्टियों ने बांटा है। उस पार्टी को बिल्कुल वोट ना दें जिन पार्टियों ने दारू और पैसा बांटा है। दूसरी चीज, उन पार्टियों को वोट ना दें जो जीतने के बाद अपने चुनावी वादों को भूल जाते हैं और कहते हैं वो तो चुनावी जुमले थे।
सर क्या कांग्रेस
Chunavi jumle the, that word may come to haunt Amit Shah, the word that he used, that the promises made by the BJP in the election were just idiomatic expressions. But Arvind Kejriwal claiming that liquor has been distributed the night before and seeming to suggest that his opponents had done it. But doesn't that happen in every election is the question. Ankit Tyagi, who's been tracking Kejriwal through this election for us, joins us. Ankit, tell us more. Is the Aam Aadmi Party now complaining again that there has been attempts made to bribe the voters the night before, or are they simply now crying wolf again?
Well, they are in a habit, Rajdeep, to cry wolf, and in fact, they believe it's a very effective strategy, at least for their vote bank, so that they can just go send a message across that no matter what, you should be aware of what is happening. Two things that they are worried about today in the morning. I spoke to senior leadership. In fact, I spoke to Arvind Kejriwal before he left for where we are standing right now, the BK Dutt colony, and in just about a few minutes, in fact, he's coming out after casting his vote. Two things that they are worried is, A, there is a torch symbol in few constituencies that resembles the Jhadu symbol of the Aam Aadmi Party. They have been going across telling their the booth managers and their voters to specifically go for the number of buttons at which the Jhadu symbol is. They are worried about that, and also the second thing they are worried is that yesterday, according to few sting operations and few things that Aam Aadmi Party claims they have captured on camera, voter ID cards in the slum clusters, in the Jhuggi Bastis, have been taken in lieu of a liquor bottle. So that is something they are worried about. But as of now, Aam Aadmi Party is still very convinced that they have a clear edge on the ground. Today, by the end of the day, of course, the fate of Delhi will be seen, and we'll know whether Arvind Kejriwal's confidence comes through on 10th of February or not.
Tell me a sense, give me a sense of what is Arvind Kejriwal's day? What is he now going to do? He's cast his vote. Is he going to go constituency by constituency? Because clearly the Aam Aadmi Party doesn't have the kind of the resources or the high profile leaders that the BJP has. So is it now going to be Arvind Kejriwal going constituency by constituency to monitor what's happening?
He'll be going to few key constituencies, in fact, not all. But what they have done is they have divided constituencies for each leader. All their faces, Ashutosh, Ashish Khaitan, Manish Sisodia, all of them have been asked to go to every polling booth in the constituencies that they have been designated to. Last time given to Prashant Bhushan. Prashant Bhushan was moving around across Delhi. Wherever they found any complaint, it was him who was going and speaking to the returning officers. Now it has been divided into various leaders. Prashant Bhushan, remember, Rajdeep, he's not right now here. He is not taking that responsibility once again. There have been a lot of rumors about him being nipped, but as of now, the entire focus of the party is to ensure that the booth managers exactly know which button they have to ask their supporters to press, and what their now specific focus is on the lower income groups, on the slums, in the Jhuggi Bastis, where they want to ensure that maximum people come out and they vote for the Aam Aadmi Party.
Right. There is, of course, the controversy also, Ankit, very quickly, of the advertisement. I've got this advertisement of the BJP, which Narendra Modi and Kiran Bedi there, and the BJP symbol there. Apparently, the Aam Aadmi Party objecting to that. What is their objection?
Well, they have in fact gone to EC, asking the EC to change the rules if that can happen, because they believe it's an unfair advantage. Aam Aadmi Party says that there were lack of funds. They could not have come up with this huge one-page advertisement in the newspaper till the very last day. The Election Commission Model Code of Conduct only says that television ads, radio ads and public rallies cannot be done. But there is no guideline as far as the newspaper advertisements are concerned. They are now, of course, saying that post this they will also be taking this to court. But as of now, party extremely worried. And remember, Rajiv, yesterday, very interestingly, to counter this, they had their volunteers on the other side, right at the borders of Delhi, with their banners, with their posters, which BJP found a little uncomfortable.